Hey guys, how's it going? It's Ultimate Root here, and today I will show you how you can install LineageOS on your Xperia XA2 or other Sony Xperia device. The things you're gonna need are 8GB and fastboot. You're gonna need the LineageOS zip file, open Google Apps, zip file, make sure you have TWRP recovery installed, and make sure you backed up all of your data, including internal storage, because you're gonna have to erase it in this installation. Okay, so let's get started. First, we're gonna need to head over to the LineageOS official webpage. We're gonna go to the Sony section, and you're gonna select your Sony device. In my case, it's Sony Xperia XA2 Pioneer, and you're gonna download the latest version. And then you're also gonna go to the Open Google Apps official website, and you're gonna download the version ARM64 Android 8.1 Nano package if you're installing this on your XA2. Now connect your phone to the PC while in bootloader mode. Then on your PC, open ADB and fastboot and type fastboot boot, and then just drag in the payload disabled TWRP recovery and press enter. After you are booted to the TWRP, go to wipe, format data, and type yes. This will erase your internal storage, so make sure you have a backup. After the data is erased, go back to advanced wipe, select system and swipe to erase. Now go back to reboot section and reboot to the TWRP recovery again. Now go to advanced ADB sideload and swipe. Now open ADB and fastboot again and type ADB sideload, and then just drag in the LineageOS package and press enter. And after this is done installing, do the same with the Google Apps if you want Google Apps installed on your device. After LineageOS is installed, just go to reboot, system, and swipe, and now as you can see, it should start pulling up into LineageOS.